Solve this system by elimination. Scale the x terms to 30x and negative 30x, so they cancel when we add. Multiply every term in the first equation by 5. Multiply the x term by the same factor. Now multiply the y term by that factor. Finally, multiply the right side too. Multiply every term in the second equation by 6. Multiply the x term by the same factor. Now multiply the y term by that factor. Finally, multiply the right side too. Add the aligned equations. The opposite x terms cancel. The x terms cancel. The y terms combine to 13y, and the right sides combine to 182. Divide both sides by 13. That leaves y equals 14. Use y equals 14 in the first original equation. Replace y with 14. The remaining x term equals negative 54. Divide both sides by negative 6. X equals 9. The solution is x equals 9 and y equals 14. It makes both original equations true.